why is dating a science?
Marunong ka magmahal. Pero ang dating kasi, skills yan. Yun yung usually nasasawi sa love. Nag-feeling ka dahil hindi mo alam yung mga sign. Mas gagaling tayo sa paghahanap ng pag-ibig, mas tatama yung taong pipiliin natin kapag alam natin yung mga basic na prinsipyo sa pag-filter at pagpapakilala sa tao. May tatlo kaming unang tinatanong. Doon namin malalaman kung ang client ay ready na sa pag-ibig or hindi pa.
Ano tong Hello there, teammates! Here I am, your mamu. Medyo paus lang po ako. Pagpasensya nyo na kasi napaka-talkative ng inyong mamu. Pero nakaka-excite ang vlog na ito. Kaya itatawid ko ito kahit paus pa ako para sa inyo. Anyway, Christmas is just around the corner. At alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, kapag ganitong Pasko, uso rin ang tuksuhan. Kayo ba ay bahagi ng SMC o SMP? Yun bang tampulan kayo ng tukso ng inyong mga barkada dahil sasabihin sa inyo, Pasko na, samahan ng malalamig ang Pasko o samahan ng malalamig ang Christmas? Saan ka miyembro? Yung ganun ba? At naiinis na kayo, napipikon na kayo. Pero wala namang problema sa single blessedness. Okay lang maging single by choice, di ba? Ang dami nga ngayon, single pa rin. Pero carry lang basta successful at masaya sa buhay. Pero kung kayo ay isang pusong sawi na matagal nang nangangarap ng isang boyfriend o girlfriend at lahat ginawa nyo na, pero wala pa rin. Paging Shirley, pero wala pa rin. At gusto nyo nang ma-attain yun, ma-achieve na yun, di ba, sa buhay ninyo. Lagi kayo nagmamanifest. Ano nangyayari? Wala pa rin. Ako, huwag kayong mag-alala. There is hope. Dahil ang inyong Mamo Tintin, Santa Mamu, ay nag-invite ngayon ng isang fairy godmother ninyo na magbibigay sa inyo ng advice para magamit nyo yan para finally yung inyong Christmas wish ay matupad na at meron na kayong makakasama ngayong Christmas. Eto na ho siya, ang ating fairy godmother na si Coach V!
Hello, Mamu! Hello!
How are you,
Thank you
Coach
for
V?
having me.
The dating expert. V as in very pretty. V as in very sexy. V as in very expert. O, di ba?
Grabe, ang bait-bait ni Mamu. Eto na.
Expert sa love. Alam nyo, backgrounder lang. Si Coach V, lagi namin siyang guest sa aming show na Jules and Tintin para sa pamilyang Pilipino. Basta pagdating sa anything pag-ibig, anything dating, anything relationship, siya agad ang go-to namin. Pero ito, special edition, kumbaga, yung vlog. Para talaga masosolo ko si Coach V. Pag-uusapan namin si Papu. Joke lang. Si Papu yung cameraman ko ngayon eh. Wala akong problema sa love life. So happy kami. Alam ba, Coach V, December 8, 22 years na kaming married.
Happy 22 years.
Thank
Ilan
you.
na lang ako umaabot dyan, kaya iba talaga.
Yun na nga. Bakit
Iba talaga.
kaya? Yan ang isa sa mga sasagutin
Yes.
natin.
You have to
Bakit
share
ba
your
hindi
secret.
nagtatagal yung mga relationship? Bakit ba yung iba, perfect naman sila, mabait, maganda, successful, may naipon na, wala pa rin. Hindi by choice yung iba. Yung iba, nangangarap nga, pero bakit? What's wrong with me? Ganun na nga di ba? Pero anyway, papakilala ko muna. Kilalanin muna natin kung sino si Coach V. O Coach V, kwentan mo muna kami, paano ka naging expert sa dating, at saka ilang years ka na dito. Go ahead, Coach V.
Ayan, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang araw. Ako po si Coach V. Vanessa Antonio. I'm a US certified matchmaker at science-based dating coach. So for more than 10 years, pinag-aralan po namin yung siyensya, no? Behind finding love. And paano mo nga ba tutulungan ng mga tao na makakahanap ng love at makikip nila yung mga existing relationship? So pinag-aralan ko po siya sa Pilipinas at sa United States, tsaka bumalik po ako dito kasi sabi ko, wala pang legit na matchmaker at Cupid dito sa bansa natin.
Ayun na
Kaya
nga.
we are the first to be running a matchmaking at a dating company here in the Philippines.
Imagine, Coach V, dating is a science pala. Talagang
Absolutely.
pinag-aralan mo siya. Kinilala mo siya abroad pa.
Yes.
So, and you are licensed.
Yes. I'm
Certified license. So, ganun. So, talaga, hindi siya basta-basta, guys. Hindi siya parang nagbasa lang ng mga dating books. Tapos, alam mo yun, nag-video na, nag-TikTok na, nag-guest na sa mga shows. Hindi po. Pinag-aralan niya yan. And because dating pala is a science. Hindi siya parang ano lang yung, ano ba, trial error. Sige nga, kapa.
Yes.
Merong sinusunod dahil science eh. So, yun muna ang unang tanong ko, syempre, after getting to know you. Why is dating a science?
So human beings are born to love,
Yeah.
but we don't have the natural skills to date. So yun yung one of the misconception na kapag pinanganak ka, marunong ka nang makipag-date. Marunong ka magmahal because that's natural sa atin. Pero ang dating kasi, skills yan. At kapag skills yan, pwede mong mapag-aralan. Di ba? Ano bang example ng mga skills na kailangan mong matutunan? O paano ka ba makabasa ng body language kapag gusto pa makipag-usap sa'yo ng date mo o takbong-takbo na sila? Di ba? Paano mo mababasa kung sila ay nakikipagkaibigan lang sa'yo o they're flirting with you na pala? Di ba? So those people who do not know how to read the right signals, yun yung usually nasasawi sa love. Kasi may tao na gustong-gusto sila, ang gagawin nila, hindi naman ako gusto niyan. So sayang, missed opportunity. Tapos may mga instances naman na hindi ka naman gusto ng tao, nag-feeling ka dahil hindi mo alam yung mga signs, o ang mangyayari dyan, feelingera ka naman. Magiging problema, it will be a conflict as well. So we study the science of dating because we want the people, for all of us to understand na mas gagaling tayo sa paghahanap ng pag-ibig, mas tatama yung taong pipiliin natin kapag alam natin yung mga basic na prinsipyo sa pag-filter at pagpapakilala sa tao.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Talk more.
Ayan.
Ang sarap pong pakinggan. Bukod sa napakaganda ho ng mukha ni Coach B, napakasarap pakinggan ng kanyang boses. At hindi lang yon, may sense yung sinasabi niya. Hindi ko alam na gano'n, no? Akala ko okay lang maging feelingera kasi eventually, papapansin ka rin ng crush mo.
Oo.
Meron ba tong stages, itong love? Yung bago mo makuha yung the one. Meron, di ba?
Absolutely.
From infatuation, ganyan. So,
Correct.
tell us about the stages on how to get there to have a successful relationship.
All right. So Mamu, before I go on with the stages, i-share ko lang, Mamu, na back in my master's, because I took sociology for master's, ito kasi yung pinakamalapit na kurso na pinag-aaralan yung family and relationship, no? And part of that is, syempre kasama doon yung planning, kasama doon yung, ano ba yung mga signs na ang tao magiging healthy partner sa'yo. So as a matchmaker, before kaming tumatanggap ng client, Mamu, may tatlo kaming unang tinatanong.
Okay.
At doon namin malalaman kung ang client ay ready na sa pag-ibig or hindi pa.
Ano tong tatlong tanong na ito?
And by the way, this is based on science. This is what you call relationship readiness test. Okay? So ready na ba to ang taong to sa pag-ibig? So number 1 is, how happy are you with your life? From 1 to 10. O for example, Mamu, tanong kita, from 1 to 10, how happy are you currently with your life?
100! Oo, no? 10. Stick
10.
tayo sa, sa 1
Sa
to 10.
scale, Mamu.
10.
Okay, so the next question is, are you experiencing depression? So 1 is no, 10 is, I do experience depression.
Ayun. Ba't importanteng tanongin yun?
Diba?
Yung happy, depressed.
Depressed, diba? I-explain ko
Okay,
mamaya.
sige.
Yung pangatlo naman is how positive or negative yung view mo sa life. Paningin mo ba ang buhay ay napakahirap, napaka-negatibo, or paningin mo ba na there's always something positive to look at sa mga nangyayari?
Okay.
That's the third
So
question.
sa scale mo, sa depression 1, kasi hindi ako yung
Hindi ka-
taong madaling malungkot o ma-depress. Lagi akong positive, nakita, naman ako, di ba?
yes,
I always look at the bright side. Doon sa third, hindi yan 10, hindi rin 1 yan. Kasi maraming challenges ang buhay eh. Maraming struggle. So although I'm happy and I'm not depressed, 8. That's how I look at life. Full of challenges, full of trials, pero kaya. So nasa 8 ako
So
doon.
positive pa din yung tingin mo kasi oo
yeah.
nga no, there are really challenges, but
Yeah.
then it is very important that you have a positive view pa din kahit ang
Yeah.
daming. So why is this 3 questions important? mapapansin mo, Mamu, we are about love, dating, and relationship. Pero yung first 3 question namin is all about you as a
Yeah.
person, not
Correct.
as a partner.
Yes.
Kasi according to science, how do we call them?
Teammates.
Mga teammates.
Ayan, according to science.
Yes, according to science,
Exciting.
ganito daw yun.
Oo.
Kapag ang level of happiness mo is, for example, number 2, ibig sabihin, hindi ka talaga masayahing tao, kung baga depressed ka sa buhay, kahit bigyan kita ng Angelina Jolie or Marilyn Monroe or Brad Pitt o kaya naman si George Clooney, no? Sasaya ka lang if you enter a relationship with them. Sasaya ka for a little bit, maybe a few months, a few years.
Yeah.
Kasi magkakaroon ka ng honeymoon period eh.
Correct.
Pero after a while, according to research, babalik ka din sa baseline level of happiness mo. So kung 2 ka, high in love ka for a few years, but then you're gonna go back to your depressive state. So that's why relationship crumbles. Kasi imbes na malift mo pataas yung partner mo, malilift mo siya kung ano yung baseline happiness level mo.
Wala.
Kaya kapag naghahanap ka ng partner, importante na maghanap tayo ng kontento na sa buhay nila kahit nung wala pa silang love life.
So hindi pala totoo yung you complete me.
Yeah.
Or parang you'll find someone to complete you. Di ba may mga ganun na
Yes.
mga, hindi pala totoo yun.
Oo.
You should not find someone that will complete you. Dapat ikaw, yourself,
Yes.
masaya ka,
Yes.
kompleto ka, ganun. Totoo ba yun? Tama ba yung pagkakaintindi
Yes,
ko?
tama, ma'am.
Coach? Oh.
Tama, Mamu. Kasi pwede ka naman kasing umibig to complete you. But the danger of that is kapag, for example, you are finding somebody to make you happy, that's a lot of pressure, Mamu, sa partner mo. Uy, malungkutin ako, pasayahin mo ako every day.
Ay,
Pasayahin mo, ikaw ang source of happiness ko. Eh, paano kung one day bad mood ka din, hindi mo ako mapasaya o mag-aaway tayo o kaya malulungkot ako.
Yeah.
Kaya parang on our own, mas maganda pala yung sabi nila na ang love life addition lang.
ay, ganun pala yun.
Oo, hindi yung center
Interesting.
ng core mo.
Imagine I've been in a marriage for 22 years but I'm learning so much na bago. Interesting, no? Okay, so after nung 3 yon
Yes.
na merong tag mo range, no?
Opo.
Anong next?
So, what's next, Mamu, is meron naman akong favorite na psychologist. His name is Raj Persod. Sabi niya naman, lahat ng klase ng relationship, magjowa pa lang or katulad yung mag-asawa na, ay dumadaan sa 3 stages. Ito, interesting to, lalo na sa mga single.
Okay, doon tayo sa single. I'm single
Oo.
lady. Singles. Okay, okay.
Na hindi pa makahanap kasi baka dahil dito, dun yung madidiscover kung bakit pala ang tagal-tagal ko ng single. So, according to him, sabi niya, any types of relationship ay dumadaan sa 3 stage. Una is yung attracting part, 'di ba? The second part is the maintaining of the relationship. And then yung 3 part is paulit-ulit pala yan. Let me explain. So, first stage is may mga tao, Mamu, na magaling makipag-date pero hindi magaling sa relationship.
Totoo naman yan. Di
di
ba?
ba?
Hanggang date lang. Kaya
Date
forever lang
lang.
siya nagde-date. Di na siya nagsettle.
Oo, Mamu.
Oo, bakit nga?
May mga ganito na parang, uy, maganda, so maa-attract ka agad. Guwapo, maa-attract ka, gugustuhin mong
Correct.
kausapin.
Yes.
So, yun yung asset nila, yung parang magaling sila sa una.
Oo,
Yun yung magagaling sa dating or attraction part. First stage yun. Pero kasi, kailangan mo ng mag-second stage, which is relationship, for you to have a happy family, di ba?
Yes.
So, ang pangalawa naman, may mga tao na magaling sa relationship, pero hindi marunong makipag-date.
Pero paano siya napunta sa isang relationship kung hindi
Diba?
siya dumaan sa date?
Oo, ibig
Ano,
sabihin, Mamo, ito naman yung mga tao
Oo.
na pagdating sa dating, hindi sila yung usually pinipili. For example, di ba sa singles event, we organize a lot of singles event. Hindi sila yung tipong eye candy na lalapitan mo, i-approach mo. Pero pag naging kaibigan mo, nakilala mo, dun ka mai-in love. Oh.
Parang maraming ganyan sa mga Tagalog tsaka Korean dramas, K-drama.
Yung nadadaan sa pakikipagkaibigan.
Oo, di ba yung matagal na silang best friends, andyan lang pala siya all this time. Kung saan-saan ka pa tumitingin, nasa best
Andyan
friend.
na lang pala.
Oo, may ganun. Yan ang for keeps, di ba?
So,
Yung
yes,
ganyang
actually,
tao.
mas maganda naman yung based on friendship.
Oo.
Pero the reason why, some people are single is because yung iba mahina sa attracting a partner, pero malakas sa relationship. Yung iba naman malakas makipag-relationship, pero kahit you are the best amazing human being, kung hindi ka magaling din sa dating, paano ka nga naman makakapunta sa
Correct,
relationship?
oo.
Paano madidiscover ng tao na you are a very relationship material
Correct,
person?
oo. So, dapat attractive ka. Dapat
So,
mag-effort ka.
yes.
Maging attractive, ganun ba yun?
So yun yung formula
Oo.
to a healthy dating and relationship, na dapat sa dating marunong ka din kumbaga maganda yung presentasyon mo,
Yeah.
kasi alam niyo naman yung mga tao visual talaga. And especially
Tama.
with men, dapat hindi natin sila inaaway. No, ang babaw nila kasi gusto nila yung maganda lang. Actually,
But men
my
are made
loves,
that way ba?
yes, it's in their biology.
That they get attracted to the physical muna.
That they receive a lot of information through visual. So scientifically, they have 60% more visual neurons. Ibig sabihin, mas marami silang nakukuhang information sa tingin. Kaya nalalaman nila kung attractive or hindi. Doon talaga sila din unlike sa atin. Sa atin, kailangan may emotional connection muna before tayo magkagusto.
O may kutob.
May kutob. Yung mga lalaki,
May kutob,
pwedeng first time ka nilang makita at sabihin, yan yung wife ko. Papakasalan ko yan. Kahit
Dahil-
hindi ka pa nakausap.
Dahil sa ganda. Dahil sa ganda.
May
Dahil-
something sa'yo.
May-
Dahil kumbaga, na pumasok ka dun sa tinatawag nilang love map. Yung love map kasi,
Love map.
yun yung subconscious list ng mga gusto niya sa babae.
May ganun
So kahit
pa.
hindi ka pa nagsasalita, di ba? Ang talino sometimes ng mga lalaki.
Ayun na.
Hindi
Yan
ka pa nagsasalita, nabasa ka na niya.
Ano naman ang
Ano yung
batting
mga-
average na tama siya.
Oh,
Kasi baka naman pala.
hindi naman talaga pwede, hindi lahat na
Oh.
first impression is tama, 'di ba? Yung
Oh.
iba first impression, magaling makipag-deal, ang ganda-ganda niya, pero nung naging in a relationship mo, hindi pala loyal,
Oh.
malikot pala, tapos alam mo yun, hindi pala loving.
Oo.
So ang maganda naman dito, Mamu, is sa visual kasi may misconception na sinishare ko lagi sa mga sa mga client.
Oo.
Sabi kasi nila, Coach B, bakit ganun? Yung iba nga, yung mga kaibigan ko, hindi naman magaganda, pero sila pa yung may mga jowa. Di ba may mga ganun,
Totoo
ma'am?
rin. Nung makikita mo
Kung
talaga.
sino pa yung hindi strikingly beautiful, maraming ligawin.
Yeah. At hindi lang yun. Sila yung happily married.
Sila yung happily there.
Diba?
Sila yung kontento, tapos
Correct.
landed a good guy.
Yes.
Bakit, ma'am?
Bakit nga? Gusto ko marinig sa ikaw, expert.
Kasi, according to science daw,
Oo.
we are not looking for beauty. We are looking for signs of good genes.
Ano yan? Guys' point
Oh.
of view or
This
with
is
female?
both girls and guys,
Okay.
yes.
Oh.
Especially with the guys. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo naghahanap ng perfect na maganda. Ang hinahanap natin, ng utak natin subconsciously, is dapat mukha silang healthy. Ano yung mga senyales ng ng healthy yung babae? Yes.
Ako makinig ka mabuti, napaka-interesting ito ha. Kasi bihira lang yung nakita mo ako na perfect. Perfect in his eyes. The
yes.
best. Yun na, sinabi ko, in Papu's eyes. Okay,
Oo.
to continue. Hindi nga, healthy.
Signs of good genetics. So, dapat, ano yung mga example ng good genetics? Number
Interesting.
1, clear skin. Clear yung skin
Paano
mo.
yung mga may pimples,
Kaya-
wala nang pag-asa.
Kaya, merong pag-asa, pero
Oo.
that's why you have to take care of your skin.
Okay.
Diba? Ngayon, Mamu, imposible nang sabi nga nila, tamad na lang ang hindi maganda ngayon. Kasi
Actually,
sa sobrang dami ba namang
ng pamba-beauty.
from mura to mahal na mga options na
Yeah,
pampa-beauty, marami
True
na.
naman.
Number 2 is maputi yung mata mo tsaka yung ngipin.
Di, grabe.
So, bawal yung mga...
Diyosa na ba hinahanap dito? Pati mata, kailangan maputi.
Oo, kasi
Scientific basis. Ganyan.
Yes. Mamu, tanong ko sa'yo,
I am
medically,
shocked. Oh.
anong nangyari pag yellowish ang mata ng tao?
May
sakit
problema
yan
sa- yes, tama.
HEPA, di ba?
Yeah, yeah.
So it makes sense.
Yeah.
Note
Totoo
lang, Mamu, na hindi naman to yung talagang iisa-isahin na, yung mata niya, ilong niya. Very subconscious siya. Kasi ganito yung hindi na, magugulat tayo na unang tingin pa lang sa'yo, ng kahit sino, nagkakandak na yan ng reproductive fitness test. Ibig sabihin, iniisip nila, magkakaanak ba kami dito? Gaano ba kahaba yung takbo ng buhay ng mga mga anak namin, pag ito yung napangasawa ko.
Ang layo na lang iniisip.
Grabe, ito yung mga magic behind the scenes.
Ah, subconscious.
Subconscious, hindi mo nare-realize to. Pero, yan ang nagiging basis ng mga standards ng tao. Hindi
In
lang
short,
nila alam.
nakita mo yung lalaki. Kaya pala pag nakita ko si Julie, sabi ko agad sa subconscious ko, anakan mo ko.
See? Totoo ba yun, Mamo? Naisip mo yun?
Hindi.
Ah,
Hindi ko nga pinapansin yun eh.
wow! Tsaka, Mamo, kayo...
Hindi, I was really physically attracted
You
to
were.
him at first. Kasi, I don't know I remember sa sociology class, commercial muna, sociology class. Since
Sige, sige,
ano ka,
sige.
nag-sociology,
Yes, Mamo.
ano ka, master, no? Masters.
yes,
o-
master of sociology.
Sabi that man is a social animal.
Oh.
O sabi ng ano ka, professor ka sa
Agreed.
college. Pero, men particularly, get attracted first to the woman. Physically. Parang sa atin, magfo-focus lang tayo either mata, shoulder, smile, yung focus lang. Pero yung mga lalaki daw talaga kailangan. Alam mo yan, yung pwedeng i-flaunt or i-flex,
Yes. At Mamo,
sexy body.
Correct. Yung
Tama ba? Sociology professor ko. Oh.
Ang galing ng professor mo. Mag-aaral din ako sa kanya.
Kaya
Pero
ba, kaya
Mamo,
ba?
tama siya. Lalo na nung gumanon ka.
Oo.
Alam niyo ba,
Oo.
kung bakit mahilig ang mga babae sa Coca-Cola, mahilig ang mga lalaki sa Coca-Cola body?
Makinig ka, Papo. Pero si,
Si Papo
Papo,
ba
coke in
mahilig?
ka na.
Cocaine ka.
Coke in ka na.
Mga naman! Pwede naman kasi yun. Basta pareho Coke. Mayroon lang. Oy, eto na nga, Mamo.
Like ba?
Baka kailangan
Yung dating Coke.
yung dating Coke.
Yung Coke talaga na may shape.
Yung may shape, di ba, Coca-Cola body?
Oh, yung,
So,
yung dalaga pa lang ako, yun ang laging in-order ni Papo.
Ah.
Yung bote.
Tapos,
Yung
mag-asawa na kayo. Coke and ka na. Nag-evolve. Gets naman.
Okay. Going back,
Gets naman, nag-evolve
papatawa lang ako.
talaga.
Going back sa punto mo. So,
Okay.
Coke in ka. Okay, good.
Okay. Hindi
Go.
Coke and can.
Ay,
Yung Coca-Cola body, Mamo, ikaw talaga.
na paano tuloy ako, pinawisan ako. Tuloy mo lang yan habang
Okay.
electric man ako
Sige.
dito. Okay. Coke
So,
in na bottle.
yes.
Na sexy ang forma.
Correct.
Okay.
So,
May
sinasabi
science.
natin na, ang babaw ng mga lalaki kasi gusto nila Coca-Cola body. Actually, hindi po. Talagang biologically, they prefer the Coca-Cola body because, again, subconsciously, kino-communicate sa body nila na, ay, fertile yan. No? Ay, may healthy reproductive system
Nandun na
yan.
sila agad, wala muna sa sex.
Wala,
To
papapunta.
be frank. Diba,
Wala
ang
pa.
iniisip daw lagi ng lalaki, pag nakakita ng babaeng sexy, sex agad, di ba?
Oh.
Papo, kailangan umupo ka dito. Totoo ba? I have to ask that.
Okay.
Pag nakakita ng sexy body, di ba ang una munang isipin, may kakama ko ba to? Sex muna, di ba? Hindi muna anak.
So,
Kasi takot, di ba yung mga lalaki mag-commit agad?
Opo. So, ma'am,
Ano ba yun?
sabi nila, no, and we've also noticed this with our clients,
Oo.
talking to them almost every day, both Filipinos and foreigners,
Yeah.
is usually when they meet somebody, they automatically categorize them in 3 boxes.
Wow, may boxes pa. Ang hirap na
Papasok ka
science.
sa 3
May boxes
boxes,
pa ngayon.
di ba?
Okay, ano to?
May pang one night, may pang long term, may wife. And once you are in that box,
Okay.
mahihirapan ka ng lumabas at lumipat. Mahihirapan na kasi usually, kapag nakategorize ka ng overnight girl ka lang, yun yung sinasabi mo, ma'am, unang tingin sa'yo, nagandahan, pero ang intention sa'yo is ano lang,
To bed you.
To bed you. May iba naman, that's why sinasabi nila, kapag ang lalaki is nirarush ka into sex, baka kasi doon ka sa box number 1. Pero
Yun
kung medyo
na.
mas patient sa'yo, ibig sabihin kasi, may patient siya kasi ang paningin niya sa'yo, sa third box, pang malayo.
Oh.
Kaya okay lang maghintay siya.
Oo. Pero ako may kilala ko, as in kilala ko.
Oh, sige daw.
Na, hindi naman siya nasa box 1
Okay.
kasi hindi siya one night stand. Nasa 2 siya
Tapos?
na dinate, no? Dinate muna several times and then, pero hindi niya goal na asawahin yon. Parang hanggang date lang talaga.
So,
pero nag-evolve.
Nag-evolve.
Sila na ngayon, hindi na sila ngayon, 22 years na silang married.
Because according to science, it
Oh.
only takes 126 days for a man and a woman to decide kung
Kung ito na nga.
marriage material or hindi yung kasama nila.
For other men,
Yes.
hindi ganun. For other men, gusto lang nila muna i-date at matikman.
Man. Tapos walang commitment, at walang label.
Matikman lang paulit-ulit, matikman. I mean, pero
Hindi
some,
nag-graduate.
ganun na lang. But some men believe, para matest mo talaga kung siya na yung papakasalan mo, kailangan sexually compatible kayo.
Kayo.
So, kailangan, ang kanyang recommendation, tikman mo muna.
Ba mo yung audience naman natin above 18, no?
Oo,
Above
oo.
18. Okay.
Ang audience
So, we can-
natin is 40s and 50s.
Okay. So we can talk about it, Mamu. Actually,
Yeah.
there is some truth to that because that's physical connection is part of compatibility that you have to look at before you even seal the deal with
Oo.
somebody, di ba?
Yeah.
Ang hirap naman kasi kung for example, and let's talk about sex drives, no?
Oo.
If your partner have a very high sex drive, tapos ikaw ang baba,
Oo.
this person will always end up dissatisfied and this person will always end up very tired.
Oh,
So you need to find somebody na medyo pantay yung
Yun
level of
na.
yung hunger niya for physical connection so that you make each other happy
Yun na.
every
sex is
time.
very much important in a relationship.
Nako, Mamu.
Married life, importante
Yes,
yan.
Mamu.
Reproduction, kasama na
Okay.
dyan.
So
Oh.
I'm not a sex coach. My
But
loves,
meron kang-
but
okay.
this is one of the reasons that I often hear from the client saying na, Coach V, I fall out of love kasi ganito. Like ang ingay niya, hindi siya ganito, hindi siya naghuhugas ng plato, hindi siya da. And then when I keep on asking like why, alam mo kung anong bottom line?
The bottom line is,
Hindi na pala masaya sa bed.
yun.
Kaya
So,
kung
hindi
ano-ano na yung
sexually
mga
happy.
nakikitang
Hanap na ng ibang rason, tama.
Yes, but really when you really dive into the deeper reason kung bakit is when your partner is no longer satisfied in the bed. Umiinit ang ulo, ang daming nakikitang mali. Pero pansinin mo kapag very satisfied din sila sa bed, mapapansin mo kahit dami mong mali, tatawa lang ka lang. Kasi babawi naman yan. Okay lang yan.
So, tama nga yung school of thought na yun na
Yes.
sexual compatibility is important kasi tama ba to, Coach? No matter how attracted you are to someone or no matter how much you love that person,
Yes.
pero kung yung sexual compatibility mababa, hindi rin magtatagal ang relationship.
So we're not going to say all because
Oh.
some other people naman they have values wherein they want to get married first before no.
Yes, tama naman.
And we're not recommending this. We're just saying it's happening.
Yeah.
That people right now wants to be sure because
Yeah.
in the Philippines, annulment takes so long to be, your marriage,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Yeah.
Takes
Yeah.
kilala ko, took 20 years of
Oh,
her
iba,
life
oo.
before maging free again. So it's a factor that you have to make sure. And yun nga, intimacy is a big part of the marriage because if you remove the intimacy, kaibigan lang kayo.
Parang gano'n, di ba?
Parang
Yun
ganun,
nga,
friendship is what
tama
happens.
ka.
And there are partnership that survives with just friendship.
Really?
Yes.
Marriage, you mean?
That's what you call companionship. Sometimes they don't need that physical and usually these are the couples na medyo matanda na.
Ayun na, yun na.
Diba?
Doon nga ako
Hindi na
papunta.
kailangan.
Yan yung mga hindi na rin umuubra si Manoy.
They just need, parang happy na sila sa hand-holding, hugging,
Oo,
like
tama.
sleeping with somebody near to you.
Yeah.
But usually, when we're talking about young couples, the physical connection is a big part of it.
Yeah.
It needs to be, like satisfied and it needs to be talked about.
Yes.
Or else, I have this term, and one of my trending videos went like,
Oh.
the reason why some people cheat is because they outsource the sexual connection part, diba? Which is very painful for a partner.
Yeah.
Sabi nga nung iba, why can't you just tell me directly? Why do you have to outsource it?
Yeah.
But sometimes, when you really, really love your partner and you know that they couldn't give you what you want, diba? They tend to
Or need.
oo, which is it's not a good excuse, but again, this is happening.
Oo nga. Galing naman.
Yeah.
So, just to wrap up that section, no, doon sa tatlong boxes na yun, no?
Oo.
So, either you're pang one-night stand, or ikaw yung date, pero hindi marrying type, hindi
Yes.
marriage material.
Correct.
And then yung last was,
Na may plano
Yun
ka
na.
talaga na parang pwede to. Usually, ang
Andun
term
sa-
ng mga guys dyan is, I think it's promising. May ganon. There's something promising in here.
so they will hold on to that
Yes,
girl,
they
to
will
that
get to
relationship.
know you, but they have a plan of,
Talaga.
having a life with you. And you'll see it din naman because they'll talk about plans. Pero ang nakakatakot kasi ang daming guys na puro plano, ang daming salita.
Oo,
That's
oo.
why we would always recommend, my loves, totoo yung sabi nila, words are cheap. The number one thing that should dictate your decision, whether you wanna marry that man or not, is yung action nila. Nag-i-invest ba sa'yo? That's the number one. Nag-i-invest ng time, nag-i-invest ng effort, nag-i-invest ng limited resource. Kasi kung salita yan, pwede siya mag-promise sa 100 ka tao, 100 ka na babae. Pero kung nag-i-invest sila ng oras, 12 hours lang meron siya. 12 to 24 hours.
Yeah.
So kung occupied mo ang 20, 4 na oras na lang, pang shower niya na lang siya.
Oo nga.
Pag napupunta sa'yo, di ba? In terms of income, sometimes like people say, oh, hindi naman kailangan. You know what? It's not, a man who is spending on you may not necessarily mean that they love you. But a man who does not spend at you at all means wala talaga silang pakialam sa'yo. Because where the money goes, that's where the happiness lies.
Ooh.
Kung saan ka masaya,
Paano
doon napupunta ang pera mo.
Yung mahal na mahal ka, pero nawala ng trabaho. Lahat ginawa na niya, kaya wala siyang
Yes.
pera.
Yes.
So, hindi ka niya ma-date.
So,
Nangyari
may-
naman din yun. Paano yun?
Correct.
Pero mahal ka talaga niya, willing siyang i-prove. Kaya lang parang lahat ng malas sa kanya. Wala
Oo,
siyang
wala
trabaho, wala
talagang
siyang
money,
pera.
no?
Paano
So-
kaya?
So even with that situation, and again, there are a lot of couples wherein women are earning more than their partner.
Yeah.
No, you'd still see it because the partner will be like, like, love, dito na lang tayo sa afford ko. Hindi yung parang nakita mong may pera yung babae, palibre ka pa ng palibre dun sa malaking ano. Kasi may pride yung, at least good men, they take pride na kahit papano, they have that they can provide. But for those, katulad ng sinabi mo, sa mga hindi talaga kaya, naniniwala ako na kahit tinapay na lang ang meron yan, kahit 1 peso na lang ang meron sa kanya, tatawagan ka pa, ibibigay pa sa'yo. Yung tinapay na yan, isi-share pa yan with you. So it's not about the money, it's about how giving they are with whatever little they have.
Oo. Kaya mas maano mo pa, mas ma-appreciate mo pa yung isang lalaking nag-e-effort na mamasyal kayo, maglakad lang kayo, holding hands while walking, punta kayo sa luneta, kung saan, na libre ha,
Libre,
oras lang
oo.
niyang, puhunan niya sa'yo, para mas makikilala mo siya kahit na mag-share na lang kayo ng fishball.
Yes.
Alam mo yun?
Basta
Mas,
hindi siya yung tipong
Diba?
unang-una, nagtitake advantage ng resources ng babae. And he
Yeah.
takes pride na kahit eto lang yung meron tayo,
Yun.
we're, kumbaga, kayanin natin dito.
Galing ni Coach B. Eto na nga, bakit nga marami pa rin ang walang boyfriend o hindi makahanap, no, ng partner despite knowing this, or maybe marami sa inyo ngayon nyo lang po ito nalaman, ano? So what to do, how to work on yourself
Yes.
physically, how to attract
Correct.
the other
Your
person.
partner, yes. So, we run a matchmaking and dating company, but the truth, Mamu, is it's actually a self-development company, which is kung anong tinuturo namin sa mga tao is kung paano i-improve yung sarili nila para magka-love life man sila or hindi, they are going to die better version ng sarili nila. I mean, hindi ka ba curious kung maikakaganda ka pa, maikakasexy ka pa, maikakatalino ka pa, maikakasipag, maikakayaman ka pa? So basically, that's what we're communicating, and we're helping these clients na maganda ka naman. Baka tinatamad ka lang ayusin yung sarili mo, baka mababa lang yung self-confidence mo. No?
Gwapo ka naman, pero
Gwapo
baka
ka
kailangan mo
naman.
naman magpagupit dyan, or
Oo.
magpataba ng konti, or
Correct.
magpapayat ng konti, alam mo yon?
Or pwede kasing lalaki ka, pagwapo ka ng pagwapo, pero hindi mo naman inaayos yung finances mo.
Oo.
Kaya mahihirapan ka sa dating. Kasi
Oo.
ang mga babae, hindi naman gwapo ang hinahanap niyan.
Tama.
Naghahanap ng responsable at naghahanap ng somebody na may kakayahan na makabuo ng family with them.
Alam mo, tama ka. Kasi kami, mga barkada namin, okay, we will swoon over someone. High school pa lang
Oo.
yung pinakagwapo sa batch na yun ng Lasal o Ateneo,
Oo.
ganyan. Pero pag after dating or knowing,
Pag
or
nakilala mo
sabi-sabi,
na,
turn off,
turn
tingin ng
off.
tingin sa mirror, doon ang gwapong-gwapo sa sarili. O di kaya, alam mo yun, hindi ako malibre sa soft drink,
Oo.
sa coke, kaya ganun eh.
Sa
Alam mo,
Coke.
parang paano na to pag,
Diba?
parang may ganun agad kami, someday hindi to magiging responsible.
So tinatanong nila ako, Coach V, sino ba dapat ang nagbabayad ng first
Ayan
date?
na, oo nga. Sa mga panahon ngayon,
Oo, sa panahon, 'di ba, kahit sabi natin, 'di ba,
Oo.
it's 2025.
Oo, paano
so the
ano na ba uso?
expectation is you go 50-50. But
ay balik na sa Dutch?
no, that's what they say, but I
Oh.
don't agree with that because it is in the advantage of men to pay for the first date. Why? Because you subconsciously communicate to the woman
Yeah.
that first, you are a giving person. Second is you can afford to build a family with them. Ano ba naman yung first meal,
Oo,
di ba?
yeah,
It's,
first
you
date
know,
eh.
if you go KKB, if you go 50-50, you are setting a bad tone to the relationship. Para mong sinasabi na mag-asawa tayo, pero kung ano meron ako, akin, kung ano meron ka sa'yo. So, that's why you're getting into a relationship because you want generosity and love and sharing to go, you know, to happen in that relationship. So, I could be like a modern dating coach, but what we teach is still traditional values. And I wouldn't even call it traditional values. I think it's basic decency as a human being.
Yeah.
That if you ask somebody out, you're the one who wanted it. You bothered. They could have been out somewhere else, spending their time with their family. So the least thing that you could do is to show them appreciation for their time. And an example of appreciating their time is like, I take this. Kaya nga, my loves, actually may mga time na sobrang saya ng date, pero kapag nandiyan na yung bill, doon na nagiging awkward. So my tip for the guys who are dating, my loves, go to the restroom. Sabi mo, excuse me, I'll have to go to the restroom. And then settle the bill nang hindi alam ng babae. Para you don't have to go through that awkward, ending of the meal wherein lalabas siya ng wallet, mag-aaway kayo ng ganyan.
Unahan or...
The woman will be very, very impressed because unang-una, it shows na you're thinking one step ahead of her. And leadership is the number one most attractive trait right now.
Yeah. Ang galing mo! I can listen to you all day, ha? Parang natututo talaga ako, parang feeling ko, alam mo yun, teenager ulit ako.
No, thank you, Mamu.
So, balik tayo dun pa rin. So, nasa na ba tayo?
Marami na tayo napag-usapan, Mamu.
Nandun tayo sa third, no? Ano ba yung third ulit natin?
Actually,
yung yan, marrying type. So, na-cover na natin all bases dun sa marrying type.
Mamu, may maganda ka
Yun.
sinabi kanina. Yung sabi mo na,
Ano sinabi ko?
sorry, mababalik tayo ng konti
Oo,
sa
go.
intimacy. Parang sinabi mo na, pag tayo kasi, when we're sleeping with somebody na de-develop, na in love tayo, you're saying something.
For women kasi, we invest our heart
Yes.
when we do something, especially an intimate act.
Yan.
Hindi, ayaw ko lang kung lahat ng babae ganito, pero I'm talking about myself, my barkada, my small circle, people I know na you just don't go to bed with anyone kahit kano ka-hunk yan or ka-hot ng guy na yan. Kailangan mag-invest ka, kailangan yung mahal mo or may trust. Importante yun. Kasi alam mo, ang daming pupasok sa isip mo, especially if you're a virgin na, who do you give it to? Di ba you just give it to because 2025 na? Parang ganun ba? Hindi eh. I'm just so old school in Gen X ha.
Yes.
Tama ba? Pero ang mga lalaki, since alam mo na, pinalaki sila, sinasabihin sila ng parents sila, walang mawawala dyan. Uy, teenager na yan, samahan nyo sa beer house para may matuto. Alam mo yun, yung parang
Yes,
merong
yes.
baptism of fire sa mga lalaki.
Parang training nila. May
Training, di ba? Yung
ground.
ganun, kailangan. Marunong ka para sa girlfriend mo, hindi ka mapahiya. Marunong ka, may alam ka. Pero sa babae,
Sa babae,
Iba.
You know
Tama ba ako?
You know what, Mamu? It's ibang-iba because there is a higher risk for women if they sleep around than with men. Bakit? Mabubuntis ba ang lalaki? Hindi. Babae, mataas ang chance, no, na mabuntis yan. At hindi lang yan, in terms of health risk, alam naman natin yung mga diseases, yung mga ano, ang taas-taas ng risk sa babae, more than men.
Yeah.
So it makes sense that women are more selective and more protective of themselves. And Mamu, I've also noticed that for many good women, we are built to love the man that we give our bodies to. Na-develop tayo, na-i-love tayo, na-attach tayo dun sa tao that we sleep with. That's why women cannot be sleeping around like how men are sleeping around.
kasi nga may
Because-
emotional investment
Yes.
na
Men-
parang ang sakit sa'yo na binigay mo lahat, tapos
May
pinaglaruan ka lang pala ng guy
Yes.
or pinaasa.
Correct.
Yung akala mo siya na,
Absolutely.
binigay mo na eh. Parang,
diba? Sa atin parang may nawala, may
Diba?
may nakuha.
Yeah,
may
pero sa
ganong
lalaki,
factor.
wala. They can just move on.
Sa kanila, like for men naman, I mean, it could be deeply, deeply emotional if it's with somebody that they care and love. But it could be just parang peeing lang. Normal.
Oh, di
Hindi,
ba?
wala masyadong value assigned.
Yeah.
So, kaya, women, I mean, it makes sense
Yeah.
to really protect yourself.
Pero now that 2025 na tayo, I think more dads are educating na their sons to
Yes.
learn to respect the woman and hindi yung ibibed mo lang just because gusto mo ng experience, di ba?
Absolutely.
Parang tinuturoan na rin ng maraming tatay na dapat serious ka sa babae. Hindi gusto mo lang ng experience. Diba?
Yes,
But for a girlfriend, don't play with her emotions and her body, di ba? More dads are doing that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
And
Tama ba?
that's-
Tama naman, di ba?
And dads are very important when it comes to the dating development, may dating development, dating
diba?
development ng kanilang sons and daughters.
Yes.
Because sometimes when children grow up without a dad, especially the women, nagkakaroon ng daddy issues. Imbis na naghahanap ng partner sa buhay, naghahanap sila ng somebody na parang magiging daddy nila kasi wala nga silang figure.
Oh, yun nga.
Ganon. So, nagiging, hindi ganon ka-healthy yung choices ng mga babae growing up.
So may tendency na they'd fall for a much older
For a
man.
much older guy, and not
Oo.
only much older guy, they fall for somebody who could be extremely controlling and manipulative because they didn't experience that sort of, like attention and
Discipline or
discipline and guidance when they were growing up.
Tsaka good provider.
Yeah,
Mga
my God.
older men kasi, di ba? So feeling nila, oy. So
Parang,
that's another
"Daddy,
story.
Daddy ba to or hubby?
Di ba?
Nakaka-confuse na, di ba?
Of course, that's another story. But, eto, balik. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa puntong hahanap tayo ng solusyon o advice, solid advice, no, mula kay Coach V. So, in your company, Coach V, how exactly do you help out yung men and women and meron tayong LGBTQ, di ba, na
Absolutely,
dating?
yes.
So, kung whatever na kailangan nila to find their perfect partner in life.
Okay. So you have to learn how to date in order to find somebody to be in a relationship with,
Yes.
in order to, for that relationship to grow into marriage.
Yes.
So the most crucial part is getting to know people or dating. That's why, since yan yung pinaka-importante, yun yung foundational mamo Paano ka naman makakakasal kung hindi ka marunong pumili, no? Pwedeng makasal ka, tapos hindi naman tama yung pagpili mo. So we have been running my company, Matchmaking Manila at Singles Events Manila. So mamo, for almost 12 years, we've served thousands of singles. Last August, we celebrated our 100 couple. Ibig sabihin, 100 marriages already.
Wow!
So these are the people who found their true love because of our help. And the way that we're doing that, Mamu, is we've been running dating events and dating workshops. So, ano yung mga example ng mga dating events? Parang socials lang siya, wherein a single person, no, usually, habang tumatanda tayo, lumiliit yung pool natin na makakahanap ng the one. Imbes na pumunta ka sa bars every weekend, pumunta ka sa burol o kaya mga kasal para makahanap ka.
Pati burol.
Uy, mamu, kasi it's a good avenue to meet potential partners in burol. Why? Because when you're in burol, emotions are heightened. May umiiyak, ay very sympathetic yung mga tao. So, mas open ang puso ng mga tao sa burol.
I'm enjoying this interview. Pero alam nyo guys, kahit na isang oras na to, patikim lang ho to. Kasi sa actual, mai-experience nyo yung expertise ni Coach V and her company when and you should, highly recommended. Kahit, kasi ako married na ako, pero basing on how I know Coach V, you should attend her upcoming singles event. Eto na, Coach V, invite na natin sila. And a lucky viewer, if you really need it, you have to share this vlog. And then we will check if you shared it sa Facebook mo kasi I have a way of checking sa shares, no?
Yes.
So you can screenshot, send it to me, and then tell me why you need to attend
The
the singles
singles
dating event.
yes.
Isa, no? Isa.
Mamu,
Oh my
bigay mo
gosh,
na yung tatlong mga
tatlo,
single
I
dyan sa mga
love you.
followers mo.
Ayan, men or women, right?
Men and
Okay, or
women.
LGBT, pwede rin.
Yes.
Iba yung event mo, no?
Pang June ang LGBT.
Okay, pang June, kasi Pride Month ang LGBT. So, to man or woman,
Yes.
basta tatlo kayo pipiliin namin. Just tell your story briefly sa comment section. I will contact you or you can email to me when I choose you, no? When we
Yes.
choose you to be the winner. So here goes. Ito na si Coach V inviting you to her events.
Ayan. Hi,
Go.
my love. I'm Coach V. Vanessa Antonio. I'm the founder of Matchmaking Manila and Singles Events Manila. You know what? If you've tried meeting people already at hindi mo pa nahahanap ang the one mo, come join us. Just make friends. At syempre, kami na bahala sa'yo. Okay? Just go to. Actually, we have an upcoming event at on November 29. That's gonna be in Poblacion, Makati. So just go to Singles Events Manila to learn about the details of that event. Again, November 29, para masaya ang pagpasok ng taon ng 2026 sa'yo, ah. And kung ikaw naman, my loves, no, if hindi ka masyado, kung hindi mo naman necessarily kailangan na mag-meet ng mga singles, meron naman akong i-share, Mamu. Actually,
Yeah.
dito, yung venue natin ngayon,
Uy, thank you nga pala sa Victoria Hotel for allowing us to shoot here and for allowing me to interview Coach V. Victoria Hotel sa may, along EDSA.
Yes, Victoria
Quezon
Sports
City.
Hotel,
Yeah,
yes.
Victoria Sports Hotel.
so
Thank
we
you.
are in this beautiful hotel, Victoria Sports Hotel, and they are actually hosting a victory run, which is, Mamu, it's also yung mga runs is a good way to meet new friends and new people.
Na sigurado ka, kaswak mo dahil mahilig tumakbo. Pareho kayo
Pareho kayo
tumakbo.
may ano sa fitness,
Oo.
di ba? Lakas na common ground at commonality. So you
Ready?
can also join that. That's gonna be on December 21 sa SM The Bay. So just join. You could do that by visiting them at Victoria Sports Online. Again, Victoria Sports Hotel. Check out their victory run. And Ma'am, so my loves, once again, Coach V, Vanessa Antonio. If you need also help in your love life guidance, you can also follow me on social media. I'm Vanessa Antonio on Facebook. I also do corporate trainings, Mamu, social skills, how to be more confident, how to speak,
Panalo.
eloquently, whether one-on-one man yan or in front of other people.
I love it.
Pwede din kaming magpasaya ng mga staff mo para lalo sila motivated sa kanilang workplace.
Ano, happiness workshop ba to? Ano ba tawag dyan?
Yes. Meron
Life
tayong
and happiness
mga,
workshop.
Yes, happiness workshop and mga social skills workshop.
Love
Kasi
it.
now more than ever, no, mas mapopromote ka kapag magaling ang social skills mo than hard skills.
Yeah.
So, my loves, you can message also Coach V at Dating Coach V, no, on social media. So, Mamu,
At Dating Coach V.
yes, at Dating Coach V on Instagram yan. Or
Yeah.
Vanessa Antonio, you should be able to see my website as well.
Wow, I'm so happy
Thank you, Mamo.
to get to talk to you in this more intimate setting, di ba?
I know.
And hindi pa
Thank you.
tapos, guys, ha? Basta watch this and share this kasi we promise you that the next time we will Coach V, kasama na niya
Success story.
yung success stories niya, yung 100 couples na nagkatuloy because of your help.
Yes,
Thank you
yes,
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you,
Thank you for
teammates, for watching. Don't forget to follow Coach V sa kanyang mga socials and please register or attend, no?
Yes.
Her event. She already told you how to
Singles Events
go
Manila.
about it. Yeah, Singles Events Manila on Facebook. Yes. And Instagram. You'll see all of it. And then good luck sa tatlong mapipili namin. Thank you again, teammates. And I pray that with the help of God, of course, you have to help yourself also. And with the coaching of Coach V, that you will find the one this Christmas.
Yes.
Cheers to forever.
Cheers! Cheers, Mami!
Cheers. Ganyan. Yeah.
Ayan!